slippery this time, a little harder to get traction. Working hard. One of them out, 77, all in trouble. Front end here, reinforced, there you go. Opening up that station wagon to the 39X for Pelto. Contact with the 29X. 46 front wheel drive. Turns a little funny in the mud. Nobody wants to be in contact here. No, you want to hit the driver's door. No. 446 Colin Trombley to 77 is all done. Alright, that takes care of the 446. Or maybe it doesn't. 180. Got an eye on the 37. A lot of noise, not a lot of going. Make some contact, boys and girls. Nobody wants to be the last man standing, I guess. Or maybe they all want to be the last man standing. Oh, there you go! Sandwich time for the 3 of Kelly Snow. Whoa, one more, 2 more. Rolling through there. 37 is all done. The 37 of Beauregard is all done. Pushed into the corner, the 29 for Austin Belchek. Ducking out of the way, don't hit the driver's door. 180 looking for somebody. Everybody's just going ring around the rosy now. The best they can do is bounce off somebody who's already been hit. There you go. Whoa, don't want to go in the corner. Now you want them in the corner. You got something trapped, guys. Take advantage of it. There you go. Jam-packed. 35, not working too hard to hit anybody, although there's a little leaking coming out of the underneath of that car. Jeff Blake knows how to stroke it. Just don't hit anybody. Looking to just, oh, look out, guys. What a namby-pamby hit that was. There you go. Now let's get serious here. 37's all done. 29's on the clock. 446 and 3 trying really hard not to hit anybody very hard. 29's not going. 32. And a little more. Nobody's giving up here. 39X still running. 29X chasing the 446 into the corner. 39 still running. 39X is still running. 29 still going. 32 going. 180's got it going. A lot of smoking radiators here. That's a good heat. No one's giving up. Now you got a chance. Let's pack them in a corner. Rip up those radiators. Blast out those drive wheels. Here you go. Somebody needs to go after the 35. He has made a good hit all day. Line him up and rock him and roll him. Uh-oh, look out. They're coming in the corner. car. 3 and 446. 446 can't move. He just can't get out. Nailed again. 39X still in. 446 is all done. 446 is all done. And the 180 may have turned itself again. 29 is on the clock. The 3 backs out. Line up plate. 180. Cannot get himself out of the corner. He's dug himself a hole. Here comes the 39X. Dina Cavalier. 180. But he's not going anywhere. Coming out in the 29X. Down into the corner. You got him down there. You got him where you want him. Burned it all up, I think. 180 is done. Let's see who else is done. We got a little bit of a issue here. 29 is all done. 29 is all done. That's Austin down there. We got 29X. We've got 35. We've got 3. We've got 39X. 39. And now we've got another one moving. That's the 32. Flipping out of the corner, Jeremy Guyette. Roll around hit. Somebody's got to line up Blake. Blake hasn't hit anybody yet. There's not a dead on that car. He wants to be in the finals. They're going to pick on the 3 one more time. Kelly Snow. Dina Cavalier. He's got somebody lined up here. Somebody's got her lined up. Look out. Bang. Not a thought or a crash, just a bang. Here comes Blake. Blake's backing in to take out the 39X. That loosens up the 3. Still got 4 of them in it.
We'll take a picture of Colin's pad now so we can show it to Mom.
Cavalier.
After they clean them up.
Trying to make it move. The wheels want to, but the rest of it doesn't. Here comes Blake. He's got to hit somebody pretty seriously. There you go. It's into Kelly Snow. Now you've got 39X on the clock. 35 finally gets hit. 32's not moving. 3's not moving. So which one was the last one to move? 32 or 3? 35 breaks out. There's 1 and 2. And the 39. That's it. Whoa.